Hays, Kansas is home to a wide variety of events and festivals happening all throughout the year. In the spring, experience the Fort Hays State University Rodeo, an exciting event that draws competitors from across the region. Spring also marks the beginning of the RPM Speedway's racing season, which continues throughout the summer and fall. As temperatures rise and summer begins, be sure to catch the Hays Larks in action. This collegiate-level summer baseball team offers a fun, family-friendly environment with free admission all throughout the summer. Every 4th of July, the Wild West Festival becomes one of the biggest events of the year. Then just a few weeks later, the Ellis County Fair highlights the area's agricultural roots and activities for all ages. Also happening in July, the Tour de Capellen offers a unique cycling opportunity showcasing Ellis County's historical limestone churches. As the summer heat begins to fade away, watch as dozens of massive kites take to the sky at the Hays Prairie Winds Kite Festival. And later in the fall, Hays celebrates its Volga German heritage with Oktoberfest, an exciting celebration featuring traditional food, live music, and various other activities. And as the year comes to a close, downtown Hays comes alive with holiday spirit. Beyond these annual events, Hays also hosts a variety of reoccurring seasonal activities. The Hays Community Art Walk, held 4 times a year, invites visitors to view art exhibits at local businesses. Meanwhile, Fort Hays State University and the Hays Community Theater provide year-round concerts and theatrical performances, and local businesses offer numerous other activities to enjoy. For a full list of upcoming events, visit the Hays Convention and Visitors Bureau website.